Hi guys, welcome back to SpeedCube Ninja. So today we're going to learn how to do PBL. So what is PBL? PBL is commuting both layers. Let's go. So the first case is where you have a block on the top and a block on the bottom. It may or may not be of the same color. So we match them up and place it in the front and do R2, U prime, B2, U2, R2, U prime, R2. So we have a block on the top and no blocks on the bottom. So we keep the block in the front and do R, U prime, R, F2, R prime, U, R prime. So we have no blocks and opposite colors. So we just match them up so that we have vertical strips and do R2, F2, R2. So we have the first layer solved, and this case is identical to the T permutation in the 3 into 3 cube. You can check it out here. So you match up the colors and place it on the left side and do R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. So for this case, we have the bottom layer solved and no colors matched on the top layer. So we keep it like this and do F, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime.